Hello to the best audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make some pies with sausages with cheese and tomato or ketchup. For the beginning, you need to have some to cut down the cheese into several parts, like as you see in the video. And we'll need some dough, which is already prepared. We have bought it from the market already prepared. Just add there a little bit of ketchup or tomato sauce will be okay, and sausage and some cheddar cheese or any other cheese that you have that will work. Let's go and close it. And here it is, very easy, right? All we have to do now is have a little bit olive oil onto the top of it, or butter will also work, melted butter. And whenever done, let's also add a little bit of congee onto the top of this. Put it to be cooked for several minutes, and whenever done, they are absolutely delicious to be tasted and ready for you to taste them. Hope you will like it. Good appetite!